From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to jarring alarm clocks and wishing you could sleep in a bit longer? I just discovered the Reacher Natural Wood Grain sound machine and it's been a total game changer for my sleep routine. This thing is a sleep sound machine, but it's so much more than that. It's well reviewed and a lot of people have already made the switch to this amazing device. One of the things I love most about it is the gently sunrise wake-up light, which simulates a sunrise by gradually getting brighter over the course of 30 minutes, so you wake up feeling more natural and refreshed. The LED lights are also super comfy and can be dimmed to your liking, so you can get the perfect amount of light in your room without disturbing your sleep. I also appreciate the ease of setup. The clock features clearly labeled icons and a logical layout for easy one-handed use, and with a built-in battery, you don't have to worry about losing your settings even if the power goes out. In my daily use, I found that the sound machine is really effective at noise cancelling, and the wooden face of the device adds a touch of warmth and coziness to my bedroom. I think this product is better than others because it's not just a sound machine, it's a whole sleep solution, and the wooden decor is a nice bonus. Overall, I'm really happy with the Reacher Natural Wood Grain sound machine, and I think it's a great investment for anyone looking to improve their sleep. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.